hiding it with clothes. So we have recently started following a very, very packed and a very strict diet. So according to that diet, I should eat my last meal by 8 max. Like 7:30 is perfect. But yeah, that's my last meal. And but I do eat after that. I'm a night owl, so I don't need much sleep. I'm not someone who needs to sleep a lot. I'm very happy about that. I need about 5 to 6 hours of sleep to function well. In fact, if I get 8 hours of sleep, I'm really groggy when I wake up. And we can get into another discussion about why this happens to me. It's got something to do with your REM cycle. Meal of the day would be my breakfast because considering that I don't eat after 8 o'clock, which sometimes I really do it, I'm able to achieve that. Then my breakfast is like I look forward to it. And then when you have your breakfast looking like what it looks like with the granola and everything and the fruits, it's really like a dessert in the morning. So my favorite cuisine is Japanese. I love sushi and pizza. I know it's not a cuisine, it's a lifestyle. I think mornings are the best time to work out. I work out in the morning and empty stomach is even better. Like get up, do your workout and then eat your yummy breakfast. Sorry, it just all goes to breakfast. But yeah, it is morning, which is the best time to work out. It's okay. Just cheat. Every night you should cheat. Every morning, every day. Like just cheat. We are alive to eat, guys. Like I will go on a protest if people tell me I can't handle it. Like my trainer also tells me, please, you must have eaten something, that's why this is not happening. And I'm like, I can't. I get really disturbed. Like, what is this? I'm working out. I'm getting so hyper. I'm working out. I'm doing everything that I can. Why can't I eat? All of us should eat. So no, cheating is allowed and cheating is okay every time. Just work out. Like do 45 minutes of some physical activity every day. That's important. Strict no in my diet, I think fried. And for some weird reason, milk. Like ever since I've shifted to Bombay, I'm a North Indian, I'm from Delhi. We've grown up on cold coffee. I'm sure all of you from Delhi know this. So when I came to Bombay, I was still having my cold coffee, but very soon I started getting I would feel vomitish and all of that. So I was like, okay, there's something weird happening here with milk. And I removed milk from my system and I have black coffee now, so I don't need milk even in that. But yeah, I think that's my personal no-no. But otherwise, it's fried food. Not in rains. You have to have pakoras and bhajiyas. Like, come on. I work out every day. Thrice a week, I work out with my trainer. And other days, I do my cardio. Today, I have missed my cardio for Pink Villa. Don't like you guys. My favorite form of exercise is probably CrossFit because you don't feel like you're exercising. Like if you people know, a lot of us actors were doing something with Fits Up. They do a lot of CrossFit workouts and we have a really good trainer. So he makes us work out and we don't even know we've started. And I think those kind of workouts are the best, but I genuinely like working out. Like I like doing my squats. I like burning my muscles. I like that feel. I feel like, okay, my pizza is getting burnt. I feel really good. I personally it's a personal achievement. I feel like, yes, you're going. I know you're going. So I love all workouts. Anything that gives me the sweet pain of, muscles being worked, I love. My favorite healthy munchies would be plugging in Sanaya again. She makes these amazing oats cookies in cocoa and everything. They're really healthy. I really like those. They're big, huge, and they're filling. Those I would say are my favorite. Or otherwise, I would say nuts. Like not like your nuts, like nuts. Oh, I like this question. Healthiest alcoholic drink. This seems like, some Poo Bani Parvati kind of a question. Healthiest alcoholic drink. Like, come on, there's no healthy alcoholic drink. But if I was to pick one, I feel it's sangria. It's not healthy at all, but it just seems healthy, It's fruity and it's wine, it's just grapes. So it's the healthiest, but it's not healthy. It's sweet and it's got a lot of sugar going on. But if you're really sorry, okay, I'm not going to be kidding, but if you really want to know the healthiest alcoholic drink, it would be gin with water. that is actually what models drink. I've been told by somebody, some designer told me that supermodels all over the world, they live on gin and water with a little lime. I would eat everything and work out, then eat again, then work out. Like, I just want to confuse my body. I don't want my body to think we are well behaved and everything is in order. No, you have to be okay with eating also, and you have to be okay with like working out also. I've never tried a diet. Once, I'll tell you this. I think I was going for shoot somewhere, and I thought, I've been eating a lot, like nothing new. So I thought that, kuch to ho nahi sakta. 3 दिन बचे थे, and I thought, let me go on some sort of a diet. And I found this detox juice diet. So I told my house help that we are going to make juices now. I will tell you what to make, get everything. Yeah, I just did 3 glasses of that diet. That's all. And my house help was also like, Didi. Like, he was also like, are you serious? You're really going to do this? Like, he was also not motivating. So I was like, you know what, we're not going to do this. No. Vese, I know a lot of people who do, like Ritvik, my friend, Priyanka, I don't know if we call her Pauta. So a lot of other friends I have, they are all on this app called the Calorie Count. I also went on it. But जब आपके दिल में चोर होता है ना, तो these things don't help. Like, I was just, so what my friends do is that they eat whatever little bit, they save up a lot of calories and then they eat in the night. I did the same, but I became fat. Like, I didn't, nothing, and they are all thin. So I know a lot of people.
Hi Pinkula, welcome to my house. Today I'm going to take you all through what I eat, my fitness regime and stuff like that. Well, I wish I was, but I'm not so blessed. I have a good metabolism, but if I really eat a lot, I do put on the weight. So I just have a habit of, getting up and drinking a liter of water. I drink a lot of water through the day, so that's the first thing I do. And again, breakfast is the most important part of the day, so that's something which I generally don't like to skip on. So that is one of the most important meals of my day. So it really completely depends on what my schedule is and stuff like that, because I'm not someone who's a really strict dietitian and follows a really strict diet, because I love to exercise. So if I do eat unhealthy, I work it out. But generally on a usual day, I wake up and have a lot of water, followed by at least like 4 egg whites with a yolk of yellow and some fruit. That's generally what my breakfast is. I'm somebody who loves eating fruit, so I keep munching on fruits all day. So my mid-meal would probably be again a certain fruit depending on what season we are in. Now with the monsoons,